yang kami belok koi kini galan tu gaji kena ni korban kena ada ke cakap teman apa sana karek ni. Kata pakai cakap pakai gaji lu sinan po.
Long ada identify ke cakap.
But agreement biasa nyimat ambil bangga bakal. Tanggal ada cakap. Has everything is fine.
Terai lalu itu rewan IT no.
Am katu menerangin proses for sanction. Dep sanction will call stop the jail. When the jail is complete, we'll see them there. But paperwork more or less finished.
Funding and David Nakasin.
We will see. Now the proposal is prepared. We may take from Central, we may take from State.
Dan kena ke Central Jail, kena jail.
Kadang State jungi tang model Central Jail. Kadang jail jungi, mereka Central tang kadang Central modalities. The best one, 1,000 capacity. Mulai pakai hata orang komplain sina sini kaju, mendapat nawat lagi khamsi tu orang dia tu mulai lagi bahas nak. Kita berokoi, waktu menerangkan di DPR tertibat, mana everything is finalized, kita ada lupa kata senang, kata kiri beri kata kapasi banteng nilai bagi training senang. Pos kata orang.
Rehabilitation
It should be good. I will go for the latest model.